Hello guys! Welcome back to Oing's Chase, and today unpack na natin itong pre-release na The Magic Marvel Superheroes. Let's go! Yan, start na tayo. Ano ba to? Yan, dito natin yan pa. Yan. Alright. And yan natin makuha natin. Ano ba to? Yan, ganun. First time natin nakapagbukas nito, kaya wala tayong idea. Okay, kaya yan, lagay lang natin dyan. So, ito yung laman sa loob. Okay, so ito yung mga poster, katulad na nasa labas. And, so meron tayong dice. Yan, ganda pala nito, may dice. May promo card kaya to. Ano ba to? Okay, may promo card siya. Teka lang. And ano ba itong nasa loob? I think wala na. Wala na. Ano lang siya, filler lang. Okay. So, start na tayo. So, okay. So, meron pa siyang kasamang pamphlet lang. Continue the Magic the Gathering journey. And yan. Meron siyang divider. And isang free na pack. Later natin pakita sa inyo. For now, unpack mo na ito. So, we have 2, 4, 6. Yan. So, we have Wolverine, Black Panther, and sino nga ba to? Si Witch. Scarlet Witch. Yan. So, unpack na tayo. Lagay natin dito si Dice. So, let's start with Wolverine. Yan. How you doing? Kamusta nga pala kayo, guys? Yan tayo. First time mag-unpack nito. And let's see. So, we have Crimson Operative. Red Room Recruit. Pinabubulol ako. AIM Scientist. We have Shield, Spy Kit, Rapid Rescue, Kree Sentinel. Pansin ko medyo curved na siya. Ayan, di naman mainit dito sa room ko. And we have Herbie Scout Unit, Hawk Smash, Common. We have Death to Our Enemies, Uncommon. We have Political Triumph. Yan, sino ba ito? We have Ghost, Spectral, Saboteur, Legendary Creature. We have Arc Reactor, an artifact. And we have the Project Deathhawk Soldier. And yun na yata. Yan. Oh, another one. Parang fill in, ano lang siya. Ayan, so far right now, di natin talaga alam kung may hit tayo o wala. Patungan lang natin to. Okay. Again guys, wala ko idea rito. Hindi ako nagmamagaling. So, second booster pack natin. Ayan, we have Hawk. Sturdy Hawk at the back. So, we have Raft, Security Officer, Ant-Man's Army. We have Volcanic Villain, Hydra Infiltration, The Power, si Hawk, na the Web Up, Futurist Forge. We have Invisible Woman, Sue Storm. We have Villainous Hideout. Oh, okay. Ano ba to? Comic ba to? We have Madame Hydra. Colored. Yan, tabi natin to. Legendary Villain. And we have next is The Thing, Ben Grimm. Yan. Next one is Absorbing Man. and Pet Avengers. Wow. Ayun ang foil natin. Okay. And the last one is the Tiger God. Okay, iniwalay ko lang yung mga foil. Hindi natin alam kung meron siyang value. Okay, kay Scarlet naman tayo. Scarlet. Next, we have Hydra Trooper, Atlantean Cavalry, Hero in Training, Knight of Wandagore. Ayan. Repulsor Blast, Futurist Forge, Dependable Quinjet. Sino ba itong Quinjet na to? Whiplash, Vengeful Engineer. Kalaban ni Iron Man. We have Loki, Luficen. Ayan. Yung god siya dyan. And next, we have Patriot Shield Wielder, Doc Samson Super Psychiatrist, Construct a Comic Cube, and Elektra Daughter of Hand for the legendary foil. The next one is Fisk Tower. Land lang siya. Ayan, and Soldier na token. Okay. Parang itong cube, okay yata, Legend Enhancement. Okay, next. Another Wolverine pack. Yan. Ooh, okay. We have the Thor Lightning Strike. Okay. We have Vision of Villainy, Ariel Doombot. We see Dr. Doom. We have Boro Backup, Pet Avengers, Powerful Brokers. We have Kunlun Warrior. We have Tigra, Felin Fury, Agent Maria Hill, Iron Man, Master of Machines. Ganda neta. Sana foil, no? We have Robot Domination. Oh, sorry. Oh, si Thanos. Pero hindi siya foil. Si Thanos, the Mad Titan. Legendary Creatures, Eternal Villain. Okay. Pili natin dito. And the last one is Tractos. Nakalaban ni Hawk. Nakalimutan ko pangalan eh. Okay, Stark's Industry for the land and Soldier for the token. Okay, so 2 more packs. Sige natin dito. Ayan, dyan lang natin lagay. Pack of Black Panther. Ayan. So we have the treasure here. Black Bolt Biochemist. Okay. Brave Brawler. We have Super Strength, si Hawk. Oh, sorry na dalawa. We have Vision of Love. Magaling nga, Vision of Love. Saka si Scarlet. Decoy Ploy. We have Frozen in Ice. We have Kunlun Warrior again. White Widow, Free Agent, Team Tactics. We have Spider-Woman, Secret Agent, Grim Reaper, Little Legionnaire. The Ruinous Wrecking Crew, and we have Stark Industry Executive. Yan, and we have the Land Technologies, and we have Villain, Token Creature, at sa likod is Treasure. Tulad ng isa. Last pack, si Scarlet. Let's see what we have. And Okay, so we have token legendary creature cat, Sabu. Ano yung kinakailan namin Japanese? Yabu. Red Room Recruit. We have Trickster, Stratagem. Sino to? Si Loki, no? Shield Spy Kit ulit. We have Restorative Technique. Sino ba to? Si Sanchi. We have Hara Crew. Vibranium Energy Dagger. Project Deathhawk Soldier. Ito yung una natin nakuhang foil. We have Ant-Man Colony Commander. Captain Marvel. Mariel Marvel. Spaceborne. We have White Tiger. Ava Ayala. Okay, and then for the foil, we have Gathering Place. World War Hulk. And Absorbing Man, the foil, and Hell's Kitchen for the land. And yun lang. What do you think, guys? Sa tingin nyo, may nakuha ba tayo na hit today? I think ang nakuha nating hit is sino nga ba? Si Thanos siguro. Yan, si Thanos. Yan, si Thanos, I think. And the rest is legendary creature. So, siguro ito rin. Na? And meron pa nga pala tayo ito. Si Madame Hydra. So, what do you think, guys? Yan, bawi ba yung ano natin? Yung pinambili dito? Yon. If you like this kind of unpacking ng Magic the Gathering, please let me know. Thank you po for staying. Until next time po, maraming salamat. Bye-bye!